Okay, guys, I'm showing y'all. I'm working on court papers, so if something happens to me, it wasn't me, because I've dropped some bombs on some people. You hear me? I'm going after big people. So, this is United States District Court, Northern District of Alabama. This is my affidavit regarding criminal conspiracy, attempted murder, biomedical trafficking, ritual abuse, cyber torture, civil rights violations, and crimes against humanity. I, Susan Pierce, being of sound mind and being of lawful age, competent to testify, having personal knowledge of the facts set forth within, do solemnly and affirm under penalty of perjury, under the laws of the United States of America and applicable international law, the following true and correct to the best of my knowledge. I can't talk about this part because it deals with a wreck. I'm in a lawsuit, but that wasn't a ritual attempt. I will get into that later after we get through with that. In about 30 days, I'll be able to tell you they tried to kill me. Judicial misconduct. Related to legal proceedings, I was denied both trial extension and option of virtual trial. Judge's assistant falsely told Senate candidate John Flynn the Alabama courts do not offer virtual trials, which is untrue. All right, first page. Prohibit residing judge, I won't say the name, constitutes misconduct, denial, I will though very soon, denial of due process and misrepresentation of court policy. Pattern of ritual connection. Kristen, you better stop your crap, girl. You're in legal crap. All right, I can't talk about that because that's in here. We can talk about Section 5. Been targeted by a group in Atlanta, trafficking me. I found your cars. I found your little engineer. I found your little 4 onions. I have all of you. So, I won't show those names. This is a network operating MK Ultra trauma-based mind control, psychological isolation, induced dependency, sexual humiliation, and grooming. I want to whip you. Resource deprivation, destruction of 3 vehicles, lost transportation. I don't have any transportation. Hey, Maria, I saved you and your family. You can go have fun and travel the world, Have fun. As I'm trying to stay alive for saving your family. Then I find out all this ransomware and dark onions and all the shit that you're doing. The patterns suggest both organized crime and ritual abuse elements, breaking down autonomy and preparing for biomedical exploitation. Can't talk about that part. Not yet, but I will very soon. I won't be able to. Oh, you excluded me from trips. You denied me service. You violated my civil rights. Pretending to be a health practitioner when you're not. You wouldn't let me go on a trip. I was diagnosed with radiation poisoning at Alabaster. The urgent care, this record has disappeared. New management took over despite legal requirement to retain for 7 years. I will be sending letters regarding that. False medical notes. Now I claim, I can't say that in this because that's a case too. Yeah, they made some outlandish claims. Grandview Medical Kidnapping Fusion Center. I was detained at Grandview Medical Center for 8 hours without calls, labeled without testing. Subject to Fusion Center profiling. Ambulance company involved is Regional Medical out of Jasper. Oh, I'm coming for you, baby. Your little ambulance that follows me and turns the lights on and then goes by me and turns them off and not wearing uniforms. You're busted. I demand the police department of Alabaster, Shelby, Arab, Pelham, Helena, all targeting, release 10 years of body footage, arrest, detention, dispatch, records, targeting, list inclusion. I demand disclosure implanted semiconductors in my body, their purpose, and immediate removal. Electronic surveillance and warfare. This is my affidavit. People in Atlanta, you have no idea what's coming towards you. Someone in your house is trafficking me, and then you just stonewall me and won't talk to me. That's Chamberlain. I demand the Alabama Power, AT&T, Spectrum, affiliate, Seesaw surveillance, electronic warfare, biometric data collection against me. These activities violate my civil rights, constitutional protections, and international laws under the Convention Against Torture, psychological torture, and economic damage. I couldn't finish a lot of my trauma certification. $6,000 biofeedback, and then Sterling Hill calls everybody, my client list and Facebook list, and tells them, I'm a fraud, I'm about to get in a mental ward, I'm going to be like arrested. Well, Sterling Hill, you're about to be arrested. Promise. Sorry you lost your son, but you came against the child of God. Dropped dead, huh? I filmed 13 TV episodes, and I couldn't even go promote it. I couldn't do any of the things I promised that sponsor I would do. I was swatted. Cyber torture, emergency injunction, and FCC enforcement. I am being targeted with documented illegal frequencies by individuals with ham operator license. I have your operator license. And I know the Methodist Church every other Monday on the 1st of the month up in Gadsden, Etowah County. See that? Ham operators. Kristen Sherman, Maria Telecom, Communications. Craig Wan, Communications. AT&T is trafficking me. I now suffer from nervous system dysregulation, sleep deprivation, pseudotumor, burns, rashes, corneal burns, migraine, vision loss, hair loss, tooth loss, rapid weight loss, sagging skin, resembling a Holocaust survivor's. Conditions are consistent with prolonged electromagnetic radiation attempts. Been terrorized and researched without my consent. 8 semiconductors implanted without my knowledge, and my uterus was removed. Psychological trauma, economic damages, and career interference. Psychological trauma, repeated isolation, sexual grooming, Slavic, middle obtaining and instinctual trauma. Couldn't do any of this stuff. My brother, you see me? Maria, you got some explaining to do. My neighbors. I'm requesting an injunction. I'm requesting frequency jamming. And I'm requesting FCC, CIA, DOD, civil relief, damages, economic, emotional, physical, $75 million. Total claim, $100 million max. Injunction relief, removal of all implants, cessation of targeting, surveillance, harassment, correction of false medical police records, FCC ordered shutdown of unlawful frequencies, criminal relief, criminal prosecution, attempted murder, kidnapping, conspiracy, and trafficking. It goes against the Article 7 of the Rome Statute. All the parties are going to be prosecuted. I'm going to file an ICC in federal court. All these reparations under ICC. There's no cap. There's no cap. Peace.